Vyake gima mwanchu murigereriani gocheragire chinsa ikomeye cyabo no marogoba asinero bere bwikano gokaretrana mangana magiyabu na bere kagwatika kurwa chinse mochonsi chinse nabakwenda gutubwatia chinse mochi chimitandao asinse ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net Kerubo Frida nolio kwaneke na chibi channel yogira gwikira sole asenchira ya benene Sara Mumanyi toskato nyegarangu ira nanda segeke Kerubosio elinde ngoma nyamange asenchira yowenge. Manchu murigereriango kwariga bene linde tabeto gosanga asobwamo gochakabona igagwika omwelio amayayi birebigani go tokuchaka kura sorgongo rwagusi anene amangana lengete obochori asekemeli yecha chinga kibobete bogokorekana aboli tkoregoro naboigo abaronereri asekirgo kyobo director asogo chikora chi factory babete bakoenyorera obubwi ase factory ya Kiamo kama nigo ababwatani gose aba director bali abakoro bane babete bakwirana abisi asikulende babere barenge abaya banyana bo nigo barabe bakora asigika kimyaka etatu erebosio asibabere bakori eira gochikokora amoncherio naboigo kwenekia obokoreri obya asekemeli igetae.
Adopting these results as the true results for Kiamo Kama Mamu T-Buying Center smallholder elections. This is Keumbu Zone. Geoffrey Ochambo Mogire. 804. Magonga Charles Joseph 216. Osoro David Ratemo 01313. I'm adopting results for Masaba Zone. Matonda Benjamin Onsongo 327. Motiri Stephen Amisi 525. Nyakawa James Kwamesa 525. Ombaso John Nyabochoa 050, that is 50. Central Zone Nyangwaji Richard Obino 1470. Nyakeramba Moses Nandusi 337. Ikorongo Zone December Richard Obino 185. Misati Stanley Machoka 141.
Kubatikana nokungusana na kukwaberego kwene kigwa asense ya Kenya gati ya serikali na boigo abasae bajenzi igoro yo kwamerelia finance bill nigo omuske Thomas Mumanyi aberika weso kebena na boigo kubolia abegeno bechidini kubeka ense ya Kenya ase amasabo okwana kurase chiro ya gesima nigo aboli abantu gotena bokongu na boigo gotaligerelia ense ya Kenya igekogwa
na kobwa mono asingincho ya amangana yagendereta sinse ito ya agency amone serikali gurupu te yobono gatogoteba una nembe osine nengia egendo togosaba abantu baminta asimu abeta Kenya ngimo Kenya tobwatene yemo aseta yituranganye guchi nto sabitiga to be kense ita sama sabo to ko teba na teba asingencho yobuya bwa agency gose teba asingencho yobuya bwa William Ruto gose ne serikali yaye, lakini Nyasaye akore kulingana na mapenzi yaye egere tokonye Kenya egere Kenya sike guchibusio aina arongo teba sebon na Nyasaye tigari Kenya itu.
Habune nchere moyo goseria obutaka na boigo korenta omochoko ase abanyakenyero na boigo kubarigeria chinchira cyoko egenderia nigo abagwatani korwa ase kyombe gya Joshua Nyarenji Foundation baba gusira abagwatani korwa ase kyombe gya Abagoti Youth elinda kwenekia bnanko egenderia bale ase amatko abosyo okwana korwa ase wadi ya Marani bunge ya Kitutu cha North nigo bagokera egetamu kirekyo na boigo kori eira gochikotumeka chingo ko baba bakoegwa ase okorosia engeli yabo ya keralitko.
Sawa chaka jewe
asa marieta sakaria masita ndomo chairman w'ekiombe kya Abagoti Youth Group ni chomo chairman kiombe kya chagete mwaka 2000 kibwata abantu 204 igore ninche mbaterenete bachairman bande barengo na inche ngachanga bwatera gati igore ndi nare kwira liyo minto Joshua Nyarenji Foundation ngambi ya mono amone timu yao asama yali gwatokoreire iga muna intuto lekenyorege kya Kenyambi kire maruma sesemo yakio moncha ntu anakorra monto kotokorera mayaya ama abira ali ubwata asabantu Kenya sago sindi ando sia sole ekiombe kya timu ya Renji yatokoreira amaya yatomesirie muna mochi tomesete buya igara kya tomesirie kya mesirie abantu 204 na ande kurwabu kya toire chingoko ekitogo cha gutuga no momemba anyore ibere nerage egendererie egero murai tukagocha gocha nyo chingoko chia buchire igore ndi nare goteba ngambu ya mono asama yali gwakorire nande batoire kinywa chinko nyutore igore ndi muna gwachita ogatosiumeria nande ogatoa kiri gwatoete Kenya sago sinyasi kiri gwatoete nande batomentire igama yali batomentire rero nande gwachita gotokorera amaya intutu amuire mune kiombe kya Abagoti Youth Group no tole maega opakideka yo mweri.
Omukonyi bumurai bense Rigathi Gachagua nigo aenekire muna goika abasae babe bagotegererwa asani kimna nigo babere bagotumika emitandao ya kirero aso kwemanya amange ekikyaberege kuigora amongabo okwana kura sensemo ya Bomet nigo okoboko omurai bense Dr. William Ruto asoko imukia egetambukiro na boigo gotuguterare finance billion mwako yega asiboigo alireira gochikotwara chinkwa na choko igwana na basayabo.
Kwangu nyumbani niko na Gen Z, vijana yangu wawili wako huko. Na wako na maneno mingi. Wananipeaga maneno mpaka kichwa nakuwa moto. Na kila nyumba iko na watoto. Na watoto ya leo sio wale wa wakati wetu askofu. Siku ile tulikuwa tunawakemea kuambia fanya hii namna hii, hiyo wakati imepita. Hao watoto ni ya kusikizwa na kuongeleshwa. Tena hii internet imefungua hao mafikira, wanaelewa mambo hata kuliko sisi. So we must listen to these young people. Na sio tafadhali. Kwa boma yangu wako hapo vijana wawili. Wanakojanga hapo wako na maneno. Na si maneno yao ya vijana wenzao. Vile wanaongea Kenya, wananikuja waniambia. Na waniongeleshi mimi kama ni deputy president, waniongelea kama baba yao. Nasema wewe mzee sikiza hii maneno hapa. Yeah. Si lazima niwasikize. Lazima niwasikize. Saa ingine tunakosana tunaita mama yao aamue. These children cannot be ignored by anybody. They are part of our life and our nation. When they have issues, we cannot ignore them. We must listen to them. In any case, they are the present and the future of this country. Hii Kenya ni yao. Si ndio kesho yetu? So if we don't listen to them, tutasikiza nani? We will listen to them. And I really want to thank my boss, President William Ruto, ya kwamba he applied his mind, he listened to the young people, he listened to the majority of Kenyans, na kusema ya kwamba tuachana na finance bill, tuanze kusungumuza. Mpigie rais makofi.
Tinga kecho boigo nigo mugavana we county ya Bomet Hilary Barchok abagakwerera asobwagare korengana buna berika gotegerera ebirero by'abasaye gati ya bire bakakumurikira neri abagakomochia abana siasa ase ogotaikirania obokoreri bwabo tingaki nekebna nigo abasaye bali maiso ase okumurikira chira kiri babete bakulira abakenya Nonyana basense mendenigo abasaye baenekia komochia abanasiasa ase ogotara ase chinchira chingikirano anene chinga kibagendete gosiria serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asoko yetayetebia ekemaine.
But wananchi, Your Excellency, from my discussion, listening to the ground, are disappointed with me and all of us. Si kweli? Ama nasema uongo? They are disappointed with all of us, especially the politicians who are surrounding our president and our deputy president and our governors and everybody, up to including the MCAs. And from their communication, they are blaming us that we are the one letting you down, the president and the deputy president. And we are the one who are giving you the bad name that we have as a government. And they have mentioned a number of issues. I will just mention a few, Your Excellency. This is your message, this is my message, this is a message to the president and to all of us. Number one, where we have gone wrong. Where I've gone wrong. I don't want to say you, where I've gone wrong. Number one, they have mentioned, and probably this is also informing the revolt that we have from our young people. It's actually beyond the finance bill, Your Excellency. To be honest, it's not just about finance bill. There are a raft of issues. Finance bill to iliwapa avenue to air out their issues. And we support the framework that has been put by the president in place, the Youth Forum. And I saw the terms of reference touches on a number of issues beyond the finances or taxation, which is good for all of us. That will be the foundation of our discussion. So one issue that they mentioned is that we have carelessness and unwarranted pronouncement and display of
Kubwatikana ne chingwa na chayo mokonyi bumuraiwense Rigathi Gachagua asabete gakomochia omutenelio monene w'ekyombegia National Intelligence Service Nurdin Haji nigo murikyo monene w'ekyombegia Kotu Francis Atwoli abereka gwosoke bene na boigo gukwanira enganeyo osanga nigo abagakomochia Gachagua asokolenta ogwatananika ase serikali chingaki amugania gukwana neliogi elimo ase ensemoria yo
Government must speak in one voice. If somebody is here who can reach the deputy president, amwambie let him act foolish na support his president for the total unity this country requires. We don't want to have two national press conferences. President amesema hii, deputy anaenda kusema yake. Whom do we believe? We want only one person to talk.
Bwana Rigathi Gachagua, we are tired of your rhetoric. We are very tired of your rhetoric. It's unbecoming. It's unbecoming of a deputy president. Stop attacking government officials. Stop agitating for the opinions of few people. We are all Kenyans. We need to develop as a country, as a nation. One man, one shilling, one vote, it will not augur well for many parts of
kubatikana na maunchiriria ya bereka gokorekana ase sekta yobochenu anene gokora maunchiriria kura sensemeria ne chef gochia asensemeri ya shiv nigo abakori emirimo abangi babere bagwesokia nabo igokurwa ebirengereri byabo ababwangoiga nababwatani kurwa sekyombe gya kupeta babere bakogosereria omugiro chingaki baganire ekyombe keliye kulika aborokia gya Teacher Service Commission kwene kebunankwenda balego ikirana ase chinyagitari nabo igokubakanira asinge nchokonyora obokoderi obuya kubwatikana no murubirio yo omuya.
Tungeomba tafadhali walimu wasitendewe kiunyama kwa sababu wanalipa pesa. They are under the comprehensive medical cover na tunasema walimu wasiteswe zaidi. Tungeomba mwanjiri Teacher Service Commission alipe mahospitali kwa sababu kwa muda wa miezi 9 hospitali asinjalipwa na serikali. Na hii ni mbaya, na kama itaendelea basi tutajumuika kuita walimu wote ili tuandamane katika hospitali zetu.
We are sick, we are tired, and we are fed up with always going to the hospitals and then being told that there is no treatment that is going on. So we are saying it, and we must tell everybody else that we are not going to allow this. Number 2, there have been a problem of pre-authorization in the hospital where a teacher would stay for almost 24 hours without being approved for any treatment. So we are saying categorically this mistreatment on the part of our teachers is
Manchi muligereria kurwa soro batiorioni na ikiro mweli obwa mangana maya asebirebiga kurinde toska tonyegeragie koraga ensa eyamo ayona mangi no nyara senchira yoboikirano munokoletero nere Amisi Josephat genda kutubwatia sinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Magach kamera soko ne kimna ebi chana boigelio gira gukira sole asenchira ya benene Sara Mumanyi na ncheria ne Kerubo Frida twara obuligelia borobia.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Ota Studios
ugochaka omokinyo yiga ogatano na kabere imbe ya Ndizi TV Chisegi Omoroge Esisano
Bakora mabaka mamu kwetu tupata musiki
naenda mambi ye mnatoko baka mambiga tigandore kenanga kenanga monto ke gwetansa igandoro senga bare moyo
Obwanchani Omwando
umetenye mejale hansi tine igana yo nyerata to mukungu wacheta